kagabi, pinag-aanohan ko talaga to. Ito na lang sasabihin ko, Brad, okay lang?
Amen, amen.
Okay, the history of bamboo organ, the construction by Spanish missionary by Father Diego. Okay.
Diego Sierra.
Ano pala, dinala ako. It was between 1816 to 1824 by the help of the...
Yung mga Las Piñeros, okay. Meron tayong sa Tindupan.
Mami
Hindi niya alam ang
Nakikinig yan pero hindi magtatanong yan. Alam na alam. Oo. Magtatanong yan. Ano pa ba?
Sige, makikinig ako.
By the help of the townspeople. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang yung kagagawa ng ni Father. Kung hindi tayong mga Pilipino sa community ng bamboo organ, yes, tumutulong din. The organ made of over 1,000 pipes. Ano pa yung 1,000 pipes?
Yung sa yung kawayan, yung tube, yung
anong church to?
bamboo organ.
Hello. Organ daw. Anong church to? Yung bamboo organ.
Saint Joseph, Saint Joseph.
Yung talagang Tagalas Piñas, no? And sino ang nag-style nito?
Organ ng tawag kasi.
Noon talaga siya. Okay. Father Sarah also the one who designed the church. Over time, it sustained damage from natural disaster like typhoon and earthquake, rendering it unplayable for years. So, dahil nasira siya sa earthquake and sa ano nga yun? Typhoon. So, hindi siya nagagamit for ilang years. Major restoration project was undertaken at 1972 involving the international cooperation and the organ reinstalled in the church in 1975. Wala pa din ako niyan. Nandyan na kayo niyan kasi 78 pa ako
5 years old na ako niyan.
Okay. It is now a national cultural treasure of the Philippines and it is celebrated yearly. Okay. That's all.
Thank you.
Sasabihin ko pa ba yun? Yung sa ano? Yung sa first church natin?
Sige, kasi wala tayong ano doon. Ito yung sa kanina po. Hindi tayo nakapakinig eh. Yung sa may ano yan, yung San Isidro.
Magayon na pala siya, no? Nakasimba ko dyan, hindi pa siya talaga totally okay. Okay na pala. Okay. Yung pinuntahan natin na church, ang tawag natin doon ay San Isidro Labrador. Sino ba to siya? Sino ba to si San Isidro Labrador?
Ay, ang
Okay, siya po yun. Yan, o, magsasaka.
Ay, San Roque pala.
Magsasaka siya.
Ay, siya na yung tumutulong yung mga angels.
Yes, correct. Okay. The parish was formally established in 1999. Andito na ako. To serve the local Catholic community in the eastern barangays, villages of Las Piñas, specifically around the Almansa 1 area, the church is dedicated to San Isidro Labrador, Saint Isidro the Laborer, the patron saint of farmers and laborers. The parish celebrates its feast day annually on May 15. Ang fiesta nila sa May 15. Okay. The church is situated on Zodiac Avenue, Verable Homes, Almansa 1, conveniently located near SM South Mall. On May 15, 2009, the church building was solemnly dedicated in a significant event in November 2025.